Reverend Quit Poker here with my new sermon. And I'm trying to reach out to y'all, my brothers. I'm telling y'all, this whole thing is a setup. You got to join Reverend Quit Poker and leave this poker alone. Because I'm telling you, brothers, it ain't nothing but a trap. If you want to get out the trap, you got to tell them that you're done. I'm telling you out there, brothers. And don't forget about my sisters. We got a whole world out there. But what we doing, can't do nothing after 7. Got to get to the free roll. Got to try to make this money. They got you a bonus, 100 on top. But I'm telling y'all, you end up on the bottom. Oh yeah, now they got this new thing. What they cooking, y'all? Cooking and booking, what they call it. They got these brothers coming up in the game, drop 10,000, but ain't got 1,000. Where you do that at? You know you ain't got it. What you sit down and play for? Gotta get on this one, brother. They call them Tommy Phones. Tommy Phone. Set up in the game. You know you ain't had 20,000, but you played anyway. You wrong for that, my brother. Brother Burglar. They got you in there, man. Tell them that you're done. You can't use me no more. When I think about how they doing us out there, when I think about what they doing to us these days, they're taking our money, y'all, and they getting all the dough, and we ain't got nowhere to go. I'm telling y'all, we got to do a new thing. It's called living life. I don't care about no blinds. I don't care about no bonus. My bonus is I ain't going. You got to be done with it, brothers. They're checking y'all, man. I'm thinking about it. Ain't seen my kids, ain't seen my family, ain't seen my friends, ain't seen nobody, cause I'm down in the jungle Jeep, playing this card. I don't care about no aces. The bill collectors don't want no damn stories. They want cold cash. But I'm telling y'all, I'm gonna make a difference, cause I'm gonna start this revolution, y'all. Tell them what to say, Brother Brett. Tell them what to say, Sister Amy. Tell them what to say. Tell them what to say, Dilla G. Tell them that we're done with it, man. We ain't doing it no more. Say I'm done with poker, man. Don't text me no more. As Samsung would say, yeah, yeah.